thousands-year-old ice suddenly loses its balance, creating an extremely dangerous phenomenon.
There is a freaking tornado out there. Oh my god! Oh my god, there goes the trampoline!
The fall was completely unexpected. A sudden landslide engulfs everything in its path. The earth and rocks tumble down the mountainside at a frightening speed, threatening homes and lives. A sudden storm is approaching, and the sky has turned pitch black. The wind is howling, dark clouds are swirling. Could this be the sign of an impending disaster? A massive waterspout appears in the middle of the sea.
Holy cow. Oh my god, it's like right in front of us. Oh my god.
Collapses and explodes violently, creating a thick cloud of smoke that engulfs the entire area. A blazing river of molten lava is flowing down with immense heat. A breathtaking moment. A massive bridge is suddenly demolished. Extremely dangerous. Nature's fury. A massive landslide sends tons of earth and rocks crashing down in an instant. Nothing can stop this unstoppable force. When nature wants to join the game, who can stop this unexpected 12th player? The wind was too strong, blowing a roof panel from another building to cover the parking lot. Ice pellets are crashing down at high speed, hitting the water like cannonballs. Nature is truly unpredictable. United in strength to fight the storm. The flood sweeps into the city, carrying away cars. Oh my god, the sky is sending huge stones down to the ground. A tornado is coming straight ahead. The wind is ripping everything apart, trees, signposts, and debris flying everywhere. Signs of the storm have arrived on land, toppling trees one by one. It's truly unimaginable how powerful nature can be. When it gets angry, it's terrifying, blowing away a car effortlessly. This scene reminds me of the Titanic movie. The flood is sweeping everything away. The raging current is so powerful that it submerges cars, turning the streets into a dangerous river. Is there anything that can stop nature's fury? The audience is witnessing a spectacular rocket launch test. volcano has just erupted. A massive cloud of smoke rises into the sky, showcasing nature's destructive power. Could this be just the beginning of a larger eruption? Thick, fast-moving sludge carrying ash and debris is sweeping away everything in its path. Once caught in it, there's no escape. Thousands of dragonflies fill the sky. This could be a sign of an approaching storm. Is nature trying to warn us about something?
Okay, just got home.
Sudden avalanche. A massive block of ice is rushing into the parking lot, burying cars in an instant. Nothing can stop this force of nature.
That's not good. Watch it burn? Ain't nothing I'm doing. Don't look at this. Yeah, I'm videoing. What? That's crazy, yo. Oh, yeah.
Mother Nature is furious. The devastating power of nature. The winds are so strong that they lift cars like mere toys. This is a terrifying storm no one wants to face. The moment a massive glacier collapses, a huge chunk of ice breaks off, sending powerful waves across the water.
Literally a hailstorm. Are we okay? Is there anything above us? I don't know. I told you a piece of my ceiling came out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I forgot. Look at this. We might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond baseball. Kissing it. Oh!
The force of nature is pushing them into each other. creating a dramatic moment at sea.
Almost died! She's coming! Kraken! Hurry!
A breathtaking moment. A massive iceberg suddenly melts and flips over, generating powerful waves across the water. The torrential hailstorm pounds the ground like thousands of tons of frozen explosives stored in a refrigerator. A sudden hailstorm strikes. Massive hailstones pound down violently, cracking the car's glass within seconds. A terrifying rock slide. The entire mountainside trembles as tons of rock come crashing down, sending a massive cloud of dust into the air. Heavy rain, thunder, and raging storm winds. The gusts are so powerful that they send massive shipping containers tumbling like toys.